How to hide reposts on TikTok. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There are two ways by which you can hide the repost on TikTok. Very first option would be to remove the repost. For this, first of all, let's report a post. For this, you have to type repost and it should be shown like this. Now to remove it, click on the share icon and then tap on remove repost. However, if you go to your profile and go to the repost section, it is still available there, which means there is no such option by which you can hide all the reposts you have. Even if you check on settings and privacy, the option is not available. So in this case, the only alternative would be to change your profile or account into private account. This way, only your friends that you have followed will be able to see the section. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.